Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable balance transfer offers with Chase Card Prequalify, beginner guide step by step clearly. To enable balance transfer offers with your Chase Card Prequalify, first, visit the Chase website. Look for the credit card section on the home page. Select the option for Prequalify for credit cards. You'll need to provide some personal information, such as your name, and this information is necessary to assess your eligibility for different card offers. Once you enter your details, click on the button to proceed. You might be shown various card options, including those that come with balance transfer offers. Review the details of each card carefully. Take note of the interest rates and any introductory offers related to balance transfers. If a card meets your needs, click on it for more information. Make sure to check the terms and conditions associated with the balance transfer offer. If you're ready to move forward, click on the option to apply. Fill out any additional required information on the application form. After submitting, you will receive a notification regarding your application status. If approved, verify the start date of your balance transfer offer. Once you have your new card, you can begin the process of transferring balances. Log into your Chase account or call customer service for guidance on transferring balances. Follow the prompts to complete your balance transfer request. Ensure you review any associated fees or time limits for the balance transfer. After the transfers are complete, monitor your account regularly. This will help you stay informed of your due dates and remaining balances. Taking these steps will help you successfully enable balance transfer offers with your Chase card. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.